Today in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect indicator for trading reversals, and you can see these reversals are very accurate. We have the overbought signal, the price is down, and we have the oversold signal, and you can see the price is up. And this is one of the best indicator for trading reversals that are available on TradingView for free to use. And I'm going to explain everything in this video. So before I jump into this video, if you are looking for the best broker that I personally use, and this broker offers you variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen. I am using this broker from 2015 and never had any kind of a withdrawal problems because this is one of the trusted and regulated brokers. I have given the link of the broker in the description of this video below. Okay guys, now we are going to explore that which indicator is this. So here we need to write dots on TradingView. So when you will write dots on TradingView, then dots G indicator will come, and the name of the author is Volino. Okay, Volino. It's a bit difficult name, and you can see we have 312 likes on this indicator. So once we click this indicator, it will be added on our screen. Okay, now you can see it's completely ready to trade. Okay, now I'm not saying that you are just going to follow this indicator straightforward. No, once you are already using your previous strategies, so you can use in the combination. Like for example, if you have any buy and sell signals indicator, so for example, if your indicator is providing a sell signal from here, then you need to check this indicator that it's really the market wants to go down, and then you can trade. And you can see all of the signals are not good, but you are going to set up the stop losses at the previous high of the market. Like for example, this was our stop loss case because this was the almost we have the previous high, and you can see the market break that resistance, so it already went up. Okay, overall if we look at the previous signal, that was quite perfect, and market simply went into the upward direction. Okay, so this indicator is very good. Like look at here, this is the overbought, but this signal has not worked, and right now it is pointing you with the oversold conditions. Okay, so this is how it is also providing you the signals into the real time. So this is the good thing. Like you can see on USD CHF, we have a buy signal, we have a sell signal. Okay, let's have a look on USD CAD. Look at here, it is providing you with the great sold signal. So now you can plan your trades according to it, and it works on everything. Like if you're trading Bank Nifty, if you trade US 30, everything it works on, but use it with a proper care, and it can provide you with the maximum number of wins if you are going to use it in the right way. Moreover guys, if you are willing to book my private indicators that you can see in the Telegram channel, the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below, you can join it, and you can see how my traders are making good amount of money by following the market maker method, and they have learned the 1 hour session from me. And you can also book your 1 hour session with me. Please find all details about the market maker strategy in the Telegram channel, because nothing is best than the market maker session. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share this video. Thank you very much.